In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best steam irons on Amazon in 2026. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best steam irons on Amazon. Number 1, Chi Lava Electric Iron with Volcanic Lava Ceramic Sole Plate, 1700 watts, adjustable steam control, precision tip, anti-drip, self-cleaning, auto shut-off, black. Volcanic Lava Ceramic Sole Plate technology, durable, scratch-resistant sole plate infused with volcanic lava minerals for smoother gliding and even heat distribution. Powerful 1700 watt steam performance heats up quickly and delivers strong, consistent steam to remove tough wrinkles effortlessly, adjustable steam and temperature. Control customized settings for all fabric types from delicate silk to heavy cotton and linen. Precision tip for detailed ironing, easily reach around buttons, collars, cuffs, and seams for a crisp, professional finish. Anti-drip and anti-calc system prevents water leakage and reduces mineral buildup for long-lasting performance. Self-cleaning function maintains optimal steam output by flushing out internal deposits. Auto shut-off for safety, automatically powers off when left idle for peace of mind. And energy efficiency, large water tank capacity allows longer ironing sessions with fewer refills. Ergonomic design and comfortable grip, designed for easy handling and reduced hand fatigue. Upgrade your ironing experience with the Chi Lava Electric Iron, engineered to deliver professional results with Number 2, Rowenta AccessSteam Cordreel Steam Iron for Clothes, DW2459U1, retractable cord reel, anti-drip protection, powerful steam output, precision tip, auto shut-off. Blue, convenient cord reel system, retractable cord for easy storage and clutter-free organization. Powerful steam performance, delivers consistent steam output to efficiently remove wrinkles from all fabric types. Anti-drip protection prevents water leakage at low temperatures to keep garments spotless. Precision tip design, ideal for ironing around buttons, collars, seams, and tight areas. Auto shut-off safety feature, automatically turns off when left unattended for added peace of mind. Smooth gliding sole plate ensures effortless movement across fabrics for faster ironing. Adjustable temperature control, suitable for delicate fabrics, cotton, linen, and more. Vertical steam function, perfect for steaming hanging garments, curtains, and upholstery. Ergonomic and lightweight design, comfortable grip for extended ironing sessions. Make ironing easier and more efficient with the Rowenta AccessSteam Cordreel Steam Iron. Designed with convenience and performance in mind, this iron features a built-in retractable cord reel system that keeps your storage space neat and tangle-free. The powerful steam output helps eliminate stubborn wrinkles quickly, while the smooth gliding sole plate ensures effortless ironing across a variety of fabrics. Number 3, Newbealer Steam Generator Iron for Clothes, 1500W Turbo Steamer, 2-bar pressure, 4 steam and 4 dry heat modes, fast heat up. 350 milliliters detachable water tank, auto shut-off, self-cleaning, gold, powerful 1500W turbo steam performance quickly removes tough wrinkles with consistent, high-pressure steam output. 2-bar pressure system delivers deeper steam penetration for faster and more effective ironing results. 4 steam and 4 dry heat modes, customized settings for different fabrics, including silk, wool, cotton, and linen. Fast heat up technology, ready to use in seconds, saving time during busy routines. 350 ml detachable water tank, easy to refill and clean, allowing longer uninterrupted ironing sessions. Vertical and horizontal steaming, ideal for garments, curtains, upholstery, and delicate fabrics. Auto shut-off safety feature, automatically turns off when not in use for enhanced safety. Self-cleaning function helps prevent scale buildup and maintains long-term performance. Elegant gold design, stylish and modern look combined with ergonomic handling. Number 4, BLACK+DECKER Steam Iron for Clothes with retractable cord, 1200W, vertical steaming, anti-drip design, spray mist, auto clean button, adjustable temperature control. Lightweight. 1200W reliable performance, provides steady heat and steam to remove everyday wrinkles with ease. Retractable cord for easy storage. Cord neatly retracts into the iron for a clutter-free and compact design. Vertical steaming function. Freshen hanging garments, curtains, and upholstery without an ironing board. Anti-drip design prevents water leakage at low temperatures to protect clothes from stains. Spray mist feature adds extra moisture to tackle stubborn wrinkles and creases. Auto clean system flushes out mineral deposits to maintain long-lasting performance. Adjustable temperature control. Safe for various fabrics including delicate, synthetic, cotton, and linen. Lightweight and ergonomic design. Comfortable grip for easy handling. Number 5 Sunbeam Turbo Steam Iron for Clothes, 1400W. Quick heat, stainless steel sole plate, shot of steam, vertical steaming, 3-way auto shutoff, 240 milliliters water tank. White/teal point 1400W turbo steam power heats up quickly and delivers strong steam output to remove stubborn wrinkles efficiently. Stainless steel sole plate durable. Scratch-resistant surface glides smoothly over all fabric types. Shot of steam function extra burst of steam for tackling tough creases and thick fabrics. Vertical steaming. Capability ideal for steaming hanging garments, curtains, and upholstery. 3-way auto shutoff automatically turns off when idle on its sole plate, heel, or side for enhanced safety. Anti-drip system prevents water leakage at low temperature.